In the wake of not one but two major fall storms this past week, we've got a very different weather pattern shaking up across the northern plains and upper Midwest. We're losing the storminess after the storm Saturday and through Sunday and Monday led a swath of severe storms across the upper Midwest, and then another one in the middle of the week that produced snow in the west and storms and even a few more tornadoes in some parts of the eastern Dakotas and western Minnesota. Well, as that storm system fades, goes north into Canada, we're getting some mild weather settling up. The weather coming in from the southwest, and we're going to see, I think, a lot of fairly mild temperatures. It won't all be shirt sleeve weather. It is, after all, getting on in fall, but relative to average, it looks relatively mild and relatively, if not possibly, almost totally dry over the next couple of weeks across the northern plains, upper Midwest. So we're back to good harvest weather in the wake of two storms that have left the regions fairly muddy. Jet stream pattern, what's left of the big storm of the midweek, it's just centered up here in the Hudson Bay region. A little protuberance of that with another little weak low down through the Midwest will bring some cooler weather in through these regions. Fairly warm air spreading up into the high plains, so any snow that fell this weekend certainly wasn't on the ground for very long, except in the mountainous areas. And as we shift into mid-fall, by warm, I'm now not talking 80s, we're talking mostly 70s and even some 60s. In the unmarked areas, those are going to be mild. That's going to be 50s, 60s type weather. So seasonal will be average. Cooler weather in through the Great Lakes. And of course, the hot weather really retreating to South Florida and the deserts of the Southwest. As we go through this week, there will be a storm carving out a trough along the West Coast. That will send the jet stream northward. Not a lot of immediate warming there because that's kind of a short-term feature. The general coolness will be settling into the Northeast and New England, where I suggest it will likely remain for the most part for this week. But we continue to see storminess, troughiness along the West Coast. We're evolving that in the Northeast and the eastern Maritimes of Canada, and that's going to leave a lot of the middle of the country with warmer than average temperatures. And as we head on into the second week here, we're going to see that pattern really persist. Now, it's not going to be 80s. We're almost into November here, but it looks generally pretty mild. Late in the period toward Halloween, I do see a little bit of a shift, not likely toward anything terribly frigid, but at least towards some cooler weather into the northern plains. Precipitation-wise, South Florida, South Texas, the West Coast, the rest of the nation looking pretty dry this week and next week. Not a lot of precipitation of any form around the northern plains, upper Midwest, and Great Lakes, and not a lot of cold weather either.